What's going on, guys? So I just bought this temporary fix because I'm having a little bit of blow by. Ordered it off of Amazon. It's a oil catch can. Put it on the light so you guys can see it. So it has an O-ring right here to seal it. Has a baffle. Doesn't have a filter. It does come with a dipstick so you could check the whatever's in the catch can. Catch can is not pretty big. It's kind of like the size of a cup. But I ordered 2 of them. This is one. It comes with all the fittings. So it brings this like Brillo thing so you can put in there so it can hold the oil. I'm gonna try it without it. I'm just gonna keep it in case it starts sloshing, then I put this in there later on in a couple days after I check it out. And it brings all your fittings depending for whatever hose you have or the size. It brings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It brings 6 fittings, so you get to take your pick of whatever hose size you have. And it brings 1 more hose in case you need some, and Teflon tape. So let's get to it. These little brackets right here, this is just from AutoZone, the hardware department. So I can make it like a L, because it brought this right here, but it didn't bring like a L bracket. So that's something you're gonna need when you're gonna install this. It did bring the screws for it though, so I'm about to put that on. One down, 1 more to go. Got you guys back when I installed the other one. So here we are, everything routed. Here's the other one. Now let's crank it up and see how it goes.